On the timeline, using time phrases. Take each of the words or phrases that show time and use them correctly along with the sentences. Millions of years ago.
Millions of years ago, there were dinosaurs on the earth.
Long, long ago.
Long, long ago, there lived a king.
Many years ago.
Many years ago, India was ruled by the British.
You made your own sentence, Samir. Very good. A few years ago.
A few years ago,
I was in Standard
1.
Last year.
Last year, I was in Standard 4.
Excellent, Priya. You too made your own sentence. Many days ago. Many days ago, I gave you a book. A week ago.
A week ago, we visited the zoo.
Day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday, I gave you a book.
Day before yesterday, I read a story.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, we visited the zoo.
Yesterday, I saw a movie.
A little while ago or some time ago.
A little while ago, I ate a banana.
Some time ago, I ate a banana.
Now, just now. She needs water now.
I am drawing a picture just now.
Today.
I want something to read today.
He is going to play cricket today.
Tonight.
Tonight, I will give it back to you.
This week.
School starts this week.
This month.
School starts this month.
After a while or later.
I will give it back to you after a while. Or, I will give it back to you later.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow they will go home. Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, they will go home.
Next week.
School starts next week.
Next year.
Next year, I will be in Standard 6.
after a few years.
After a few years, we will be in college.
Many years from now.
Many years from now, we will grow old.
Thousands of years from now.
Thousands of years from now, people will land on Mars.
Very good, children. Next class, we will try to make dialogues using these phrases.